Hello everybody, today we're going to be peeling off a nose pore strip under a microscope. So I've never really talked about nose pore strips before, but if you don't know what they are, they're adhesive strips that you put on your nose, a wet nose, after you cleanse, you remove them, and they supposedly remove blackheads. They are usually called blackhead removal strips. But what these actually do is pull out the kind of oily sebaceous filaments that you have on your nose that a lot of people think are blackheads, but they're not, and they leave your nose looking nice and clear. Now, these are not a permanent solution to blackhead removal or making your pores look like clear and all that kind of stuff. They are purely, for, cosmetic reasons. What do I mean? Like appearance reasons. Like I'll use one of these before like a big night out, for example. I say that like I go out still, I don't do anything anymore. But yeah, these have their pros and cons, but today's just a bit of fun. And one thing I've seen a lot of at the moment on YouTube, well, not a lot of, is Hey It's Faye and Tina Young, doing these blackhead removal strips under this here microscope. Telescope? Microscope? Microscope. And this is horrifically great. Like you see everything in your skin, every pore, every clogged pore, and then when you're peeling off that pore strip, it's even more disgusting, the best way ever. So what I'm going to show you today is my nose before the strip and then my nose after the strip. Okay, so let's have a look at my nose before. I have just cleansed my face. Now I know already like there's a lot of like fine hairs on there that you don't usually see with the naked eye, and I'm very oily, so I'm expecting there to be a lot of like full filaments, glands. Let's have a look. There's one hair. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so going down my nose. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. All these little hairs, where are they coming from? Oh, this is gross. Please don't hate me after this, guys. Look at that. Try to find like a good before. What's that? What's that? What are you? I don't know what that is. That's really a white head. Okay, so here's quite a good before. There's quite a few stuffed up. Oh my god, gross. Okay, so we'll revisit this bit when after the nose pore strip. Okay, so enough of that, let's actually put on the strip. These are really, really easy to apply. So you wash your face, like I said, wet your nose, put this on, and then wait 10-15 minutes until it feels completely dry, and then you peel it off. Okay, so it's been roughly 10 minutes, and the nose pore strip is dry. Okay, this could get super fiddly, but what we're gonna do is gonna try and peel it off and film at the same time. I might have to make a bit of a head start here. Oh my god, gross. It's already gross. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Ready? I mean, it didn't get that one, but you can see all these tiny little ones coming. Oh god. Quite a big hole there. That can't be good. Oh, did you see that? Okay, we're coming up to the main part now. We're coming up to like the bridge of the nose. Look how much it's missed though. There's still a massive one there. Look at all that oil that's still left on there as well. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a lot of hard work. Looking at that, I mean, it didn't really look like it removed as much as I thought, especially all the bigger ones as well. But let's have a close-up look at the actual nose pore strip itself. See what kind of gross stuff we can see. I mean, it's mainly just got my nose hair. There's a few really good ones here. I think we saw these ones being pulled out. There's a good one. Okay, I'm grossing myself out now. Okay, I'm gonna quickly wash my nose to get off all the adhesive because it's not good to leave it on your nose. It's not really good to do nose pore strip at all, but I wanna get rid of this and then we're gonna go in and take a look and see if it's really made an improvement, and we'll compare the before and after footage, yeah, and see if it's worth it. All clean, let's go straight to the area that I thought we were gonna see some improvements and see how much it really did clear. I mean, to be honest with you, that doesn't look like it's done a crazy amount. There's still, like, what I would consider so much, well, not so much, but a fair amount on there that you would expect the nose pore strip to kind of like clear. Look, there's one there. There's like a few bits there as well still. I think I recognize that one. So not amazing. You can see that some of the more like stubborn filaments are still there, and these are probably the only ones that you can see to the naked eye if you're up really, really close. So it does, oh, you can't even see my face, sorry guys. You see all that stuff coming off on the nose pore strip, and it's mainly hairs and tiny, tiny, like needle, thinner than needle thin sebaceous filaments that you didn't even realize were there, yet you're left with all the like the bigger ones, all the bigger, what we could probably see with the naked eye. So, you know, there must be like a better way to get rid of all that. Everyone has little hairs on their nose, but you have to think, especially when you have black hairs, do they make it look like little blackheads as well? Probably. But I really enjoyed this. What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to do each step of the... Oh, my nose looks a bit irritated though. I'm going to do each step of the skincare routine and see the difference that the product makes, which I think will be interesting when it comes to things like serums and moisturizers, the things that are meant to give you an instant boost in the appearance of your skin, and see how they look really close up. But that is it from me now, guys. I will see you next time.